An awesome little known feature of Excel is that you can actually have multiple views of the same workbook on your screen at the same time, which can make navigating Excel so much easier, especially if you're having to work across different worksheets. So, to make this happen, you first just have to go to the View tab, and then after going to the View tab on your window, right here, you can just press New Window. And as you can see, right at the top, the name changed a little bit from Book 2-Excel to Book 2-2-Excel. The dash 2 just kind of means that this is the second window of the same workbook. So as you can see, now we have two different windows of the same workbook. And you can, for example, have one view on one sheet, another view on another sheet. So instead of having to bounce back and forth between two different worksheets, you can just have like both worksheets on the same sheet, which can make referencing stuff much easier. And as you can see, if I make an edit on one sheet, it will show up on another because it is the same workbook. Now there are also some other cool features that can help you work with different windows that you have open. It's so much easier. So going back to view the window, you for example click switch windows, and it just switch between the different windows that you have open, much easier. You can click view side by side, so you can have more flexibility as to kind of how this is shown, and have a view that might be a little bit easier for you to use and navigate. So you can also go to view window. You can even have as many windows as you want. So you can see here's the third one. On this laptop screen, it's a little bit cluttered, but if you have multiple different screens open, you're on a big Excel sheet. That can make it to where you can have like one on each screen, for example. Also go to view window. You can arrange them as well. So this will just kind of change the arrangement of the windows that you have open. As you can see, now the vertical. You can also go to view window, and you can even hide the one that's open, which can make it to where you can have some flexibility as to what is shown on your screen and what is not on your screen. As you can see now, it's hidden. And if you just go to the other view and control and then unhide it, you can exit out of it. As you can see, after exiting out of it, the view changes a little bit, and the view changes, and we, instead of book 2-2, we have just book 2. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you'd like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.